Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and Mower. Check it out, man. I wanted to show you the most basic mower sold here at Home Depot, and that would be $279 for a 20-inch push mower. This is not self-propelled, no bagger, just a base. For the longest time, these Murray mowers were $99. I know that because I bought one when I first got my first place that needed to have its lawn mowed. It's kind of crazy to see that. Move up a little bit more here, we get a larger rear tire for $20 extra and an extra inch of cutting. Engine wise, yeah, it's a slight upgrade, but I wouldn't really consider it much of one. These engines are nearly identical in other than CC. And that one there, I'll set you back $299. Then we move up to their top of the line here, and we've got this with the bagger, and it is self-propelled. And now we're looking at $349. I don't know, man. Maybe $249. And lastly, the top of the line here is a 22-inch cutting deck, self-propelled. And that one is $379. And that one there is, it's nice looking, but it's still got the same engine. I guess that'll do it. I just wanted to share that with you. It just seems to me it's crazy. By the way, that actually for $349 is push mower. I thought it was self-propelled for that kind of money, but nope. You still got to push. You got to earn it. So there's the Murray lineup for 2025 at Home Depot. Till next time, my friends. Take care.